So you want to open a new layer, and then you want to head over to the brushes. And I believe these brushes came with Photoshop because I don't remember downloading them, but there's a scattered brush. And if you don't have the scattered brushes, you could make them on your own by going to the brush settings. And if you need a tutorial on that, I could probably put that together as well. Make sure your background color is set to white, and you can adjust your flow, and then just begin kind of painting on your canvas, just making it look, as natural as possible. I'm going to double click your layer to go to the layer style. And this is where you kind of give it that kind of 3D look and a bit of a pop. And these are my different settings and the different styles that I used, or added effects that I used, sorry. And what I did was just play around in this panel. When I did this the first time, I didn't know exactly what the outcome would be. I just kind of played around and it kind of just all came together. This is adjusting the angle of the shadow. Then the outer glow, I think, really brings it all together. And then once you're done with that, what I did was I wanted to add just a little bit more frost, because I felt it looked a bit too neat. So I just wanted to kind of add a little bit more to the window to not look so perfect. And then with the layer mask, I wanted to kind of erase some of it off some of the edges, because some areas looked a little bit too harsh or too hard. So I wanted to kind of soften it by erasing a little bit. So what I did after this was made a composite of all visible layers by using Command Option Shift E to create a layer of all my visible layers below. And then I added the Gaussian blur to that layer. I just got to find that right radius. So just kind of move the slider back and forth to a radius that is appealing to you. And then I created a layer mask for that layer and just added the blur to the frost. It just helps to soften the frost and add to the realistic effect. So that's the before and after. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.